under $340,000 home look like in Lake Havasu? Well, stick with me on this video and find out. First, let's go take a look up in the sky and see what the drone view of this place looks like. Welcome back, guys. This is Bobby Lewis with the Lewis team, Coldwell Banker Realty. We're here on Skipper Lane today at a house priced aggressively and on a huge lot. You could easily build, look at this, massive RV garage up here, casita. It just goes and goes and goes on a cul-de-sac. And in the distance, I don't know how well you'll see it in the 360 camera, but we have a good lake view out there, good mountain view. And let me go take you through this value priced home. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, has a 1-car garage, but also has this carport here. And you can see it's been recently painted, all new light fixtures. Couple things you could do here with this. Turn that into a garage possibly, or just drive through back. You can actually drive all the way around this property if you did a little tiny bit of dirt work on the other side. Put your RV garage back there. Newer insulated higher end garage door, gutters up there. The roof in the video, I don't know the age of it, but it does look newer, not ancient by any means. We'll walk around the other side here too, so you get an idea where you can still drive here and have all this parking as well. You just need to have a steep rise or grade that out. But let's go take a look inside. Now, welcome inside. I'm gonna fill in on the video a few virtually staged photos so you get an idea of what this could look like dressed up. From where I'm standing right here, I actually can see the lake from the living room. Very hard to find in a home this price range. In the dining room, the same view. The kitchen, older, but I did notice somewhat newer appliances, and you'll notice in the bathrooms and the kitchen, newer fixtures. And everywhere you look, the owner went through and did all new outlets, all new lighting. Everywhere you look through the home, you'll see looks like every single outlet's been upgraded. To open this up, I wonder if you could maybe take some of these walls out here. Now we're going down to 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, as I explained first, but first we'll take a look out. Here's the laundry room, indoor laundry, and the finished garage, single car, but finished off nicely. And as you can see, that insulated door. And bedrooms aren't huge, but considering the price, clean and livable. They do all have walk-in closets. And let's go. This is the hall bath here. Again, you can see newer fixture, newer light fixture, newer outlet, shower tub in this bathroom. Bedroom 3 looks out over the backyard, also with a walk-in closet. And then last but not least, the primary or master bedroom. newer ceiling fan, newer switches and outlets like I described, and walk-in closet in here, and a shower in the master, a newer fixture, newer light fixture. But for under $340,000, lots of potential here with a lake view, mountain view as I come out again. This is Bobby Lewis with the Lewis team, Coldwell Banker Realty. We'd love to show you this home or any other home. It doesn't matter if it's a $300,000 home in Lake Havasu or a multi-million-dollar home. We'd love to show you. I always have fun with these more entry-level homes, though. I love getting people into their first home. There's nothing more rewarding or exciting about getting a first-time home buyer into something like this. Well, again, give us a call anytime. And to end it again, we'll take a look up here, and I think you'll get a good view of the Lake